Welcome to all. In this mathematics video, we study how to find a Cartesian curve, how to trace a Cartesian curve with the help of an example problem number 7. Trace the curve y square in bracket a square minus x square is equal to a cube x. This question asked in a first year engineering, May 19 in SPPU University. In step 1, we find a region of absence. So in step 1, we get a region of absence as, so this is what we get in region of absence for all those values of x greater than a, and for all those values are lies between minus a to 0, we get a region of absence. So from step number 1, we get a region of absence. So from step number 1, we get region of absence. So this is nothing but our region of absence. In step number 2, we check whether the origin is on the curve. So from step number 2, we get the curve passes through the origin. So origin is a point on the curve. So we get origin is a point on the curve. In step number 3, we need to check tangent at origin. So we get x is equal to 0, that is y-axis is a tangent at origin from step number 3. So from step 3 we get y-axis is a tangent at origin. And behavior of a curve at this point is like this, but left hand side area is nothing but region of absence, so we cannot consider that. So this is what we get from step number 3. From step 4, we find a point of intersection with the x-axis and the y-axis, and if you observe, we get only the origin point. So we have only the origin, that is already we calculated. In step number 5, we need to check the tangent at origin, that is we already finding the tangent at origin. Now we go for the step number 6. In step number 6, we find a symmetricity. So for the symmetricity, in step number 6, we get curve is symmetric about x-axis. The curve is symmetric about x-axis. So for step number 6, we get symmetricity about x-axis. So symmetricity about the x-axis is represented as so here we have symmetricity about the x-axis. In step number 7, we find an asymptote which is parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So here we get x-axis is an asymptote. So from this, the behavior of a curve at asymptote is like this and like this, but this is nothing but our region of absence, so we cannot consider this. And the equation of asymptote parallel to y-axis is x is equal to plus or minus a. So from this we get so these are the two asymptotes, and behavior of the curve is, so behavior of a curve at asymptote is But we cannot consider the behavior in a right hand side, that is in a region of absence. Similarly, for the asymptote x is equal to a, the behavior of a curve is but we cannot consider in the area, that is the right hand side, in the area of an region of absence. So we get, so all these information we have from all the 7 steps. Now we understand how to draw this curve. So let's start with this. So as it is symmetric about x-axis, same to the downward side. Now for about the origin. And same to the downward side, as it is symmetric about the x-axis. So this is what we get. So the Cartesian curve is look like this. So this is what your final curve. Hope you understand. Thank you. Visit again, comment below, subscribe the channel to get the new updates, and do your best.